Welcome back to the re-education of Terry. In my last video, I mentioned hostels and that I always wanted to try one. Initially, I was a little apprehensive about staying in one alone, so my daughter agreed to stay in a few with me. So you probably figured out that this video was going to be about hostels. Some people love them, some people avoid them, and some people probably heard of them, maybe from travel blogs, budget backpackers, or movies that gave them a questionable or scary reputation. In this video, I want to discuss what a hostel actually is, how they work, and why some travelers swear by them and others avoid them like the plague. Well, I'm hoping to share what I've learned about how they work, the different kinds, and why they may or may not be right for you. A hostel is a type of budget-friendly accommodation where guests can rent a bed, usually in a shared dorm room, rather than paying for a private hotel room. Think of it like a blend of a hotel, a community living space, and a social club for travelers. They offer shared dorms, private rooms, common area lounges, kitchens, and outdoor spaces. They also have activities like pub crawls, city tours, and of course, game night. Most travelers book a bed in a shared room, which could be 4 beds, 6 beds, 8 beds, even 20 beds. And surprise, they also have private rooms, whatever fits your budget and comfort level. You get your own bunk, sometimes a privacy curtain, an outlet, a reading light, a locker for valuables, and access to shared bathrooms. You can book these through hostel sites like Hostel World or even Airbnb or Bookings.com. Prices are significantly cheaper than hotels, sometimes 3 to 5 times cheaper. Also consider that more beds in the dorm usually mean the cheaper the bed rental. Common spaces is where hostels shine. They're designed for meeting other travelers, storing and cooking your own food, or just hanging out, working, or just joining group activities. Modern hostels have key card access like hotels. They have lockers, 24/7 staff, or all-female, male, or co-ed dorms. Safety can vary by hostels, just like hotels, so reviews really matter. So please read them before booking. You have different type of hostels, like a party hostel. They have bars, neon lights, people dancing, beer pong. They're loud, social, and great if you want to meet people fast. Expect music, events, and sometimes drinking until the middle of the night. The pros are they're super social and lots of activity. The cons are it's noisy, it's late nights, and not ideal for sleep. Next up, you have the boutique hostel. There's stylish interiors, private dorm pods, modern lounges. These are the cool Instagram-ready hostels. They're clean, modern, sometimes nicer than budget hotels. The pros are they're clean, stylish, private pods, great amenities, and the cons are they're more expensive. Then there's the chill or quiet hostels. They're cozy rooms, calm common areas, reading nooks, cafes, perfect for digital nomads, long-term travels, and anyone who values sleep. The pros are they're peaceful, comfortable, reliable. The cons are they're less social unless you make an effort to meet people. There's the adventure hostel, surfboards, hiking gear, ski hostels, communal dinners. These hostels are built around activities like surfing, hiking, skiing, you name it. The pros are it's a built-in community, fun activities. The cons are it can be pricier depending on the activity. Then there's the family-friendly hostel. private rooms, play areas, families checking in, and yes, families do stay at hostels too. These places offer more private rooms and calmer atmospheres. The pros are they're affordable for families, quiet, and the cons are fewer parties or social events. Then there's the traditional backpacker hostels. They're basic dorms, bulletin boards, group of travelers cooking. These are the classics. No frill backpacker spots. Simple, affordable, and social. The pros are they're cheap and social. The cons are they're more basic amenities. And why some people don't like hostels? Because of the lack of privacy. You're sharing a dorm with strangers. There's snoring, late night arrivals, and early morning departures. Most hostels are clean, but some of the older or cheaper ones might feel worn down or cramped. Some hostels are party hostels, others are quiet, but dorms aren't always silent. While modern hostels are secure, people still worry about their stuff, sleeping around strangers in shared spaces. So, on my last trip, I stayed in several hostels. I actually enjoyed it and will do it again. Hostels aren't scary, they're not sketchy, and they're not just for 19-year-old backpackers. They're affordable, social, chaotic, and endlessly entertaining. So if you've never stayed in one, try it. Worst case, you get to tell a weird story. Best case, you get to meet new friends, great memories, and a place to sleep that doesn't destroy your wallet. As always, I ask that you like, subscribe, share, and tell me in the comments if you're a team hostel or team I need my own bathroom. As always, thank you so much, and you have a great day. Bye.